You give me butterflies, got me falling.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I have an unboxing video that is well overdue. So I went over Amazon and bought a mirror. But anyways, I went a few places because me that try to get one full body mirror, and I went a few places. I went to Active and I saw one for like 39,000 plus tax, you know, say 40,000 like that. And it never that give length, but the width was perfect. But me I say 40,000 for one mirror, me not pay that. Sorry, somebody else. So I saw another one for also 22,000 plus tax. It not give length, it not give width. It just I give 22,000 and I have that for pay for that. So Mother said, listen, today is not the day. So I also went to Rapid. I'm gonna go Rapid. I saw one for 16,000 plus tax. Now give length, now give width, and I give nothing. And I'm like, listen. So I end up go over Amazon, and the one that I saw was perfect because I wanted a arch. But you wanted arch. I'm gonna get what I want, and on top of that, I paid $8,000 for it, and I paid another $8,000 to clear it. So, you know, in all that is $16,000. So I feel as if that was pretty much reasonable, and I actually get the shape that I want. So most of the shape that we did see out here is like the rectangular ones. I'm like, never want that. So I basically get what I want, but I'm nervous because you know this is a mirror and it go through a whole lot. I mean, I hope it come in a one piece, and that piece is because it say please handle it with care, but me I hope they really handle it with care. I just don't want my 16,000 to go down the drain. So I'm gonna open it and see how it looks and see if it come in a one piece. Guys, I'm gonna pull it now. Guys, it's perfect. Guys, everything perfect. So maybe I'm gonna turn it around so we can see it look. You see that, guys? It's perfect. So this is the arch. So this is the shape we want. Sun. Yeah. Yes, so that's the shape we want. So it's Oh guys, and there's another thing we must forget for sure now. It also have a stand at the back, so you don't have to hang it. It can also just sit in a one corner or anywhere in your house, because it also have a stand. This is the stand that it has, so it can just sit pretty wherever you want it. Yeah, so this is the stand. So I'm gonna just put it somewhere. I'm not sure where yet. Yeah. Guys, I definitely love how them package the mirror, because I realize around the edges they have board right around it. Right around it, and then they had the foam, so I definitely love that. So if you realize you had shop around and you realize the ridiculous prices that the mirrors them sell for, you can definitely try Amazon, because see, me try it come in a one piece, not pieces, and I definitely love that. So you guys can also try it as well. And as I said, this mirror was for $8,000 and it weighs 22 pounds. My shipping company charged me $8,000 to clear it. So it was definitely worth it for me based on the prices that I was seeing the ones for. But I really actually never got pay the money there for it. Like, come on, man. So in my case, it was worth it for me. I don't know if you guys can get what you want, you know, different places. So I get my shape, I get my length, I get my width, and my satisfy. Lovely.
We could go far.